Let's talk about the recently launched Realme smartphone Note 60. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.74 inches HD plus water drop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 90.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 260 ppi. Pixel density, 560 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with reinforced glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 32 megapixel main camera with aperture 1.8, along with auxiliary lens, for selfies. It has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T612 12nm chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.26 by 76.67 by 7.84 mm, and it weights around 187 grams, and the color options marble black, voyage blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP64 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme Note 60 has been priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 26,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme Note 60 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.